In this video, I'm gonna discuss about variables in C language. Variable is a location in memory where a value can be stored for use by a program. Each variable has a name, data type, and a value. We can identify each variable uniquely by using the name of the variable. The data type of a variable determines the type of data the variable can hold. For example, integer, floating point, and character can be considered as data types. We can store values inside this variable according to the variable's data types. Variables must be declared before they can be given a value. When declaring a variable, its name and data type should be specified. Every variable has a name, type, and a value. The format for the declaration of a variable is like this. Here are some examples. In here, int is the data type of the variable and quantity is the name of the variable. Make sure to include the semicolon end of every variable declaration. The assignment operation can be used to store a value in a variable or to change the value stored in a variable. The assignment operator is the equal sign. We can store a value after declaring a variable according to this format. And here are some examples. Oh, there is an easy way to do this. You can declare a variable and assign a value to that variable in a single step like this. And here are some examples for that. But there is a small issue when declaring a variable. We can't use any word as a name of the variable. There are some rules to be considered. A variable name can be a series of characters consisting of letters, digits, and underscores. Should not contain any special characters. Should not begin with a number. Should not contain blank spaces. Should not be a reserved keyword. There are some reserved keywords in C language. We can't use them as a name of a variable, such as C is a case-sensitive language, meaning that it treats lowercase and uppercase words as two different words. C treats these two words as two different words. These are some examples of valid and invalid variable names. So that's it. If you found any value from this video, don't forget to like the video and thank you for watching.